Hi class, how are you? It's Kwanzaa. So my essay was about an expository essay. And an expository essay explains into detail about a specific topic or report and provide evidence or information. And my article today was mainly about how students should spend their time meditating and exercising and being more proactive instead of doing drugs or drinking. For the most part, this article followed the guideline. It has a introduction, three body paragraphs, and a conclusion, and then an extra paragraph or so. And to start off with the intro, I thought this was a hook because it makes you question, how is a student's life hectic? And then in the highlighted section, it's mainly the the main idea, what the essay is going to be about. And then here, I highlight I highlighted this because it explains what the three body paragraphs are going to be about. And that is very important when writing an expository essay. You don't want to just write your introduction and then go right along into your first body paragraph. That's not how that works. And then, as you can see, I highlighted the first and second sentences in each three body paragraph. It's because that I feel as if it's the topic sentence. In a topic sentence, it usually occurs at the beginning of the paragraph or the end. And in this case, I thought it was in the beginning. And then what I felt like this article lacked was lots of transition words. Out of this whole article or essay, I only found one word, and it was also. And I felt like everything wasn't running smoothly. They were just listing lots of, I don't know how to explain it, but they were just listing instead of like smoothly transitioning. And then here at the bottom, this is the conclusion. I don't like how the first sentence is, yes, it restates it, but I feel like it needs like a sentence before it to run smoothly, then restate the main idea. But I don't know if that's just me. But yes, this restates the main idea. And then this last sentence here, it just gives it a splash of flavor. Like, I don't know, like it's emotional and very opinionated. Like in this whole article, like I felt like it was not like facts, but it was like, facts. My two questions for you are: create a new first sentence for the conclusion, which would be right up here. Like, what I mean by that is like add a sentence that smoothly transition into restating the main idea and summarizing or explain paragraph 2, this one, in 1 to 2 sentence or sentences. But yeah, bye.